Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on gold for this week. So right now, gold is literally rejecting from our resistance level. As you can see it here, market is rejecting from here. You can see it. Market is also rejecting from here, and also market is rejecting from here. You can see that when gold came to this resistance level, we had that liquidity breakout that took out everybody's stop loss and continue to push up, deceiving people that it will continue to push up. And guess what? It eventually dropped, right? So this will still sit as a resistance level. Market is rejecting from here. So what is market doing right now? With what I am seeing, gold is likely to drop to a level of 1980 this week. So let's be expecting a sell this week on gold. So a level of 1980 is what we should be watching out for. Probably is what will probably happen is what probably would happen this week on gold, because gold will be expecting a bearish move, and anytime soon USD will start going bullish. But if in case gold pushes up, if in case gold pushes up and give us a new higher highs, then expect more movement to the upside. Then it means we are heading to a level of 21,000, 21, 23, 21, 23. It means that is the level we will be heading to. Personally, I do not see such movement. Reason why I said I did not see such movement is, one, first, we are at the major level, which is the resistance level, and market is rejecting from there, dropping. Secondly, there is a double top around this level, and you all know double top is a reversal pattern. There is a rejection here, first rejection, and this is the second rejection. Market has now dropped. So for the possibility that market will break it, I personally do not think it will happen. By the way, we can't rule out the fact that it will happen. That is how market does. So with what I'm saying, market is likely to jump to a level of 1980. I'll give you guys more updates. That is, if you follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So gold is likely to give us a pullback, then another drop. Let's see how it goes this week on gold. So do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.